Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash the subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. And before we get started, I'm not a doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first. And welcome to week 19 update. And so today I'm walking in the downtown area of our city of Leominster. Have a 3-mile walk in this morning. I'm sitting down over here by, back behind me is a Rollstone Bank, and I'm on Central Street here in our city. In front of me, we have the Minnesota Brook, and it's a little sitting down area. So I thought I'd do my video outside today. And just enjoying the day. So far for the month of May, we have 42 miles of walking in. So we may or may not get the 60 miles in, but it's all about just getting out there and getting healthy. So I wanted to talk up to you about intermittent fasting and what is it basically. And again, do your research. But there's all types of fasting. Currently, I'm doing a 16-8 fast, and basically what that is my window opportunity to eat is 8 hours, and that's it. The rest of the time, I cut it off at a certain hour. So in other words, I'll eat breakfast in the morning, then I'll cut it off in the afternoon, and then after that, nothing the rest of the time. And in between all that, I've been drinking lots and lots of water again. Now, this week I'm giving up my diet soda for about a week or so and see how it goes there. And, I'm really liking my Coke Zero that I have, and just, thinking about different things right now. And the next thing I'll be giving up or an experimental will be coffee for 1 or 2 days, and then we'll see how that goes. I did that once before, but I find is I need my coffee in the morning to get me going. And but we'll see. So intermittent fasting, basically, it's, there's different types of intermittent fasting. You could do like a 30-day fast, just drinking water. And, and that would be really too hard for me to do. And I have done 16-1 fasting, which is one meal and that's it. And then AD fasting, I haven't done that yet. I know Jess from Keto Rewind has done that a number of times before. But what that is alternate day fasting. You eat one day and you don't eat one day. You eat one day, you don't eat one day. And that might be a little bit of a challenge for me. Who knows? Maybe at some point I might try it. But, I like my food, but if you're not going to eat food, you're going to have to make up something. You have lots and lots of water. And to lose weight, water has always been the key for me. But I've been starting to drink a lot more water now than I used to. What I've been doing now, I've been bought some water, the water with the powder stuff with the electrolytes in it, and they got a number of different flavors from keto. And if I can find my original link there, I'll put it in the show more, and you can just go on and see if you might be interested in buying it. But they make a number of different products here. The favorite one is the watermelon. They make a strawberry one, and they make some other different flavor ones, and you just add water to it. And it gives you plenty of electrolytes. And electrolytes are basically water without the salt in it, because you really need salt in your body to get you through the day, and so you don't dehydrate. And basically the good salt is the garbage salt in the blue jar that we're so familiar with in the container. But it's going okay. I had a little bad week this past week. I gained 3 pounds, so I'm back up to 270. I still haven't got my floor scale fixed yet. And but I started doing an egg fast this week. Yesterday I did pretty much eggs all day. I had 8 eggs, and I had some sausage with that on one of my meals, so to break up just the monotony of the plain eggs. And I made scrambled eggs basically. And today I had 3 eggs and I had bacon today. Kind of more or less a carnivore meal. So I'm thinking about jumping back over to carnivore from keto and do keto on the weekends. I think that might work for me, because, I still feel pretty good. My hips and my body parts feel really fine and everything like that. And I'm sleeping a whole lot better. And I'm still working. Did 20 hours this past week, and this week I'm scheduled for 2 days, and I took an extra day this week, so actually 3 days this week, and there's another opening for the weekend if I want it, but I'm not sure right now, because we have Memorial Day weekend coming up, and my wife might want to do something, so I'm holding off until the very last minute on that. And where I work at Marshall's, I'm always welcome to take more hours if they can become available, but to me, this is just a part-time job, and be nothing more than that. And I'm happy with the hours I'm getting, and even if I don't get any hours a week, I'm okay with that. And it's just extra money for me and Dawn, and to make up for some of her Boston, so she can get a bingo night, and I can get a small little grocery order in over the course of the week, and a little fun money. But now we got summer coming up, and I want to do some yard sealing, and I want to do other stuff. Speaking of yard sealing, we had a citywide yard sale this weekend. We went around driving. We stopped at a few places. She bought one item. Shoulder Farms had a blossom festival this past weekend there, where they released butterflies out in the orchard. But problem with that is Donna and I went down there too early in the morning, and then by about 11 or 12, it cleared right up till you see those blue skies behind me. And but it's okay. We still went down there. She got a chance to get out of the house for the day, and then I ended up going to work that night, and we were buried that night again. It was crazy there. Now, I worked last night, and it was like a vacation day last night. I felt almost guilty to get paid for last night, and but anyways, I love working there. The people there are very nice. I talked to the supervisors; are all friendly to me. Everybody's been fantastic. There's nothing negative about that place at all that I can think of it possibly. If you're looking for a job, come over there. They'll work with your hours and schedule, especially if you're a student or something like that. And with me and Donna, it was just a couple of days a week there just to get out of the house there, and a little bit of extra fun money. But yeah, so do your research on intermittent fasting. Yeah, so I got 43, 44 miles in for the month already. Today's I already got 3 miles in today. Planning on doing another walk later on in the afternoon. Walking again tomorrow. Thursday, we got northeast to come in, about 1.5 inches of rain, so I'll probably take a little bit of a backseat to the walking on Thursday. And yeah, so it's looking really good. But anyways, I'm going to get going. If you got any questions about intermittent fasting, I'll have some links below to show more. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for coming along. Keto Cafe, and we'll see you on the next update.